Do you own a hammock but you're not sure which stand to hang it from? Does your backyard lack trees? Maybe you need a hammock stand that can keep up with your adventurous lifestyle.
With lots of options out there, choosing the right stand can be overwhelming. For your peace of mind, we've put together a simple guide to help you choose the right stand for enjoying warm and sunny days.
Before choosing any old hammock stand, you should determine what kind of hammock to hang it on. To determine the size of stand you need, simply measure your hammock's length from loop to loop. The ideal space for properly hanging your hammock will be the measured length of your hammock plus 2 feet.
After determining your hammock's length comes the fun part, picking the ideal hammock stand.
Not all hammock stands are created equal, which is why we offer both a 12-foot hammock stand and a 15-foot hammock stand.
Do these 3 feet make a difference? You'd be surprised to learn that they do. Let's break down the 12-foot stand first.
This stand is perfect for smaller spaces indoors or outdoors. The 12-foot stand has a weight capacity of 350 pounds and comes in different color options. This stand is perfect for spreader bar hammocks, however, Mayan and Brazilian hammocks cannot be used with this stand.
For those hammocks, you'll need something bigger.
The 15-foot stand is very similar to the 12-foot stand in terms of design and color variety. It accommodates a standard spreader bar hammock, but the extra 3 feet in length also supports Mayan or Brazilian hammocks. At 400 pounds, this stand's weight capacity holds 50 more pounds than the 12-foot stand.
Need something more portable? This option lets you take your hammock just about anywhere, from camping to the beach.
The portable steel 10-foot hammock stand is perfect for any adventurer. This stand is designed to be used with hammocks that are 10 feet or shorter, like camping hammocks or small spreader bar hammocks. It's a perfect stand for one person and holds up to 300 pounds. The portable stand uses quick-release push buttons, so it's easy to assemble and disassemble.
If you're looking for something that allows you to adjust your hammock height and save on space, look no further than the 2-person space-saving Brazilian hammock stand.
With 5 adjustable hooks, this stand enables you to use any hammock between 10 feet and 12.5 feet long. With a weight capacity of 400 pounds, the space-saving Brazilian hammock stand can accommodate 2 people. It also comes with a carrying case and is available in a variety of color options.
Looking for a unique stand? Check out the wooden Curve Ark hammock stand. Made from a durable Russian pine hardwood,
this stand can accommodate 2 people or up to 400 pounds. This stand has a sleek arch design that creates a dynamic shape without sacrificing comfort. Available in 2 different sizes, the 12-foot wood stand fits standard spreader bar hammocks or any hammock between 8 to 11 feet long. The 13-foot stand can fit any hammock between 9 and 12 feet long.
The MultiUse Stand allows you to use all different types of hammocks on it
without having to purchase a new stand for each one. It fits any hammock between 9 and 14 feet, which includes most standard spreader bar and rope hammocks. Additionally, this stand can be used with both Mayan and Brazilian hammocks. This stand can also be used both indoors or outdoors, has a 550-pound weight capacity, and comes in a variety of color options.
Once you've picked out the ideal stand, it's time to start relaxing.
For your hammock needs, check out our collection of Sunnydaze hammocks and stands. You can also take the guesswork out of picking the right stand by exploring our variety of hammock combos,
which pairs up the ideal stand with the hammock that you need to start relaxing. My name is Josh, and thank you very much for watching.
Do you have an idea for a future subject? Comment below and we'll do our best to get around to it.